12th question, 1 by square root of 7 minus 6x minus x square. So first of all, this one I convert into a into x plus alpha whole square plus or minus beta square. So first what I written, minus x square I written, then minus 6x plus 7. First step what, x square quotient we need to take common. What is x square quotient? Minus. So minus I taken common. So that is x square plus 6x plus is there, I taken common minus, so minus here. So this is x square as it is. 6x how I written, 2 into x into 3 minus 7. It is in the form of a square plus 2ab. A b square term is missed. So what is the b square? 3 square. So the 3 square adding and subtracting. So that is plus 3 square minus 3 square minus 7. This is equals to minus of, this is x plus 3 whole square. Then minus 3 square is equals to minus 9 minus 7. This is equals to minus of x plus 3 whole square minus 9 minus 9 no, minus 7. Total minus 16. You multiply with minus, what we are getting? 16 minus x plus 3 whole square. Next, 7 minus 6x minus x square is equals to what? 16 is equals to 4 square I am writing. 4 square minus x plus 3 whole square. X plus 3 whole square. Now integration of dx by 7 minus 6x minus x square is equals to integration of dx by 4 square minus x plus 3 whole square I written. So it is in the form of integration of dx by a square minus x square. This is equals to what? This is equals to 1 by 2a log mod of a plus x by a minus x is the formula. Plus here a is equals to what? 4. X is equal to x plus 3. So this is equals to 1 by 2a, 2 into 4 log mod of x plus 3. X is a plus x. What is the a? A is equals to 4 plus x is equals to what? X plus 3 by 4 plus 4 minus x plus 3 plus this is equals to 2 4s are 8, 1 by 8 into log mod of 4 plus x plus 3 by 4 minus x minus 3 plus I multiply with minus in denominator. 1 by 8 log mod of x plus 4 plus 3 7 or 7 plus x. 7 plus x 4 minus 3 1. 1 minus x plus c. This is equals to 1 by 8 into log mod of 7 plus x by 4 minus 3 1 minus x plus c is the answer. 12th one. Next 13th question. 13th question. 14th question, 1 by 8 plus 3x minus x square. Similar method question. So solution, in solution what I am writing, 8 plus 3x minus x square. So this one also we convert into a into x plus or minus a into x plus alpha whole square plus or minus beta square. So first x square I am writing plus 3x plus 8. What is the first step? X square quotient we need to take out. So what is the x square quotient? Minus. So minus I am taking common. So x square minus 3x minus 8. This is equals to minus x square minus 2 into x into 3 by 2 I am writing. Why? A plus b whole square or a minus b. A plus b whole square formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. First 2, then a, next to b we are writing. So that first I have written 2, next a is what? X here. So x. Remaining what here? Remaining 3 is there. So 3 by 2 I have written. So by cancelling the 2, what we are getting next to 3x? That simply we are multiplying dividing with 2 minus 8. This is equals to minus x square minus 2 into x into 3 by 2. We are adding and subtracting with 3 by 2 whole square. This is equals to x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 square value 9, 2 square value 4 minus 8. This is equals to minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus, here minus is common, 4 LCM, 9 plus minus common, so plus 8 4s are 32. So that is equals to minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 32 plus 9, 41. 41 by 4. You multiply with minus, so 41 by 4 minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. This is equals to what I am writing? Root 41 by 2 whole square I am writing. Minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Now integration of 1 by 8 plus 3x minus x square under root into dx is equals to integration of 1 by, this is equals to what? Root 41 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square into dx. This is equals to integration of dx by it is in the form of a square minus x square under root. This is equals to formula sin inverse of x by a plus c. This is the formula. Here in place of a, root 41 by 2. In place of x, x minus 3 by 2. So this is equals to what we are getting? This is equals to sin inverse of x. X is equals to what? X minus 3 by 2 by root 41 by 2 plus c. This is equal to sin inverse of numerator LCM to 2x minus 3 by root 41 by 2 plus c. 2 get cancelled. This is equal to sin inverse of 2x minus 3 by root 41 plus c is the answer.